For number 7, you can use whichever method you prefer, whether it be factoring or the quadratic formula. I'm going to show you both methods because you may not even know yet which one you prefer. If you are using the quadratic formula, which is what we just finished doing, so we'll just stay on track with that, you would know that A is 3, B is negative 13, and C is negative 10. It's already equal to 0, so this is A, B, and C. So I could find the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac, and put these numbers where they go to figure out this answer. So negative 13 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 10. So when you type this into the calculator, try to put this where you can see it without the glare. I have parentheses, negative 13 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 10. And my discriminant is 289. So I know I'm going to get 2 real solutions since my discriminant is positive. So this is all 289. So now the rest of the quadratic formula. Negative b means I'll use the positive value of b since it's already negative, plus or minus the square root of 289 over 2 times a. So 2 times 3 is 6. I'm going to go ahead and find the square root of 289 next. Second, x squared, 289, enter. And it's a perfect square. The square root of 89 is 17. So I know that my answers are going to be 13 plus or minus 17 over 6. And now I'm going to break this into my 2 problems. 13 plus 17 divided by 6. 13 minus 17 divided by 6. Don't try to type this all into the calculator at once. When you have more than one thing in a fraction, whether it be in the numerator or the denominator, you should get an answer for the top, an answer for the bottom, and then divide so that you don't get the wrong answer. So 13 plus 17 is 30. And now I need to figure out what 30 divided by 6 is. So if you type it into the calculator, 30 divided by 6, the answer is 5. Some of you probably already know that without typing it in. You work it however you prefer. There's my first answer. Remember, I'm getting 2. My second answer, 13 minus 17, is negative 4 over 6. You can reduce this, type it into the calculator. If you type it into the calculator, it's going to make negative 0.6 repeating. That way you can see it. So if I got that, I would probably math, enter, and see that it makes negative 2/3. So my 2 answers, x equals 5 and x equals negative 2/3. Now, if you prefer to work this one by factoring, I would use the bottoms up method where you take the 3 and multiply it to the 10 at the end. So when I do that, I would get x squared, scribble this out so it's not distracting you, minus 13x. I'm going to take the 3 to the 10 at the end, minus 30 equals 0. I'm looking for 2 numbers that multiply together to make negative 30. But if I add the same 2 numbers, they add up to negative 13. Since the multiplication answer is negative, I know I'd have to have one positive and one negative number. And getting them to add up to negative 13 makes me think I need to use negative 15 and positive 2, because that multiplies to make negative 30, but adds to make negative 13. So in my parentheses, I would use a minus 15 and a positive 2. Now remember, we multiplied by 3 to get this to start with, so I need to put that back. Negative 15 divided by 3 is 5. 2 divided by 3 doesn't reduce, so I would move the bottom up. And then you could look at this to get your answers. What minus 5 is 0? 5. This one, since it has the 3 in front of the x, you know that your value for x is going to be this number with the opposite sign divided by whatever's in front of the x. So you can see the same answers, just whichever method you prefer to use to get the same answers.